The benefits of an early bedtime routine. We are on day 85 of our 90-day challenge. Welcome. My name is Nina. I am a well-being coach. I'm here to motivate, inspire, and uplift you so that you are able to take action on your health and your wellness so that you can improve your overall well-being. And today we're chatting about this idea of having an early bedtime routine. I know that kind of like one of the biggest challenges so many of us have is this idea of like getting home after work or a day with the kids, whatever it may be, and feeling so exhausted and feeling so lethargic and tired. And you just crash in front of the TV and you pop some mindless Netflix on or whatever it may be, or you scroll social media to try and switch off. And actually, what you want to be doing is listening to those signs of fatigue. So the problem comes is that when we're just sitting there and we end up maybe falling asleep in front of the TV and then we go to bed late, maybe 10, 11, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning, is that we're always behind. We're always borrowing from tomorrow for today. That means we're using the energy that is due to us tomorrow and we're using that today. And that means we start the next day pretty much on like half a tank or maybe even nearly an empty tank. And we feel exhausted and tired and we struggle to get out of bed in the mornings. And then we reach for the coffee and the quick fixes, the donuts, the croissants to kind of like give us that energy to go throughout the day. So, what I noticed for myself is when I started noticing those first signs of fatigue and realizing, what, I'm actually quite tired. I'm going to actually just go to bed and lie down. And I didn't actually look at the time, what the time was on my clock, my phone. I just started listening to, okay, I'm tired. I'm going to go to sleep. And I started doing this over and over. And I started realizing that in the mornings, I had more energy. And so this is what I'm going to suggest to you is just like notice those first signs of fatigue and maybe even set up an evening routine that sounds quite delicious to you. So maybe that's going for a bath, maybe that's giving yourself a foot massage, whatever it may be. Maybe it is taking a bit of time to do a breathing practice or a meditation practice or a journaling practice, but create a little bit of a routine. This is one of the practices we do in my year-long coaching program, actually. And it is so beneficial when you have a step-by-step process that you know that you start to do as soon as you hear or notice those first signs of fatigue. You then go to bed well rested and you then have more energy the next day. And as you start doing this over and over again, you start kind of like recovering from that sleep deprivation that you've had for so long, especially if you've had little kids or you've been very hectic with a work schedule and working late into the night. Getting to bed early and creating that evening routine is really, really helpful. Now, how does this help you on day 85 of your 90-day challenge? Well, that habit that you created or started 90 days ago, 85 days ago, if you get to bed early, you'll probably have a lot more energy and vitality and excitement to do that. You'll probably be able to do that habit a lot better. So give it a try. See if you can get to bed a little earlier tonight and slowly, slowly work with this habit. I promise you, it is going to be such a game changer. And it's going to make you feel so much better. What I'm also going to suggest is watch this next video on early to bed, and it'll delve a little bit more into this habit. I'll see you again tomorrow for day 86 of our challenge. Bye for now.